Did you know the biggest cash heist in American history turned into a murder spree? On December 11th, 1978, cargo workers at JFK Airport discovered something terrifying. The Lufthansa vault was completely empty. $5.8 million in cash and jewelry, gone. Airport insider Louis Werner had given Jimmy Burke's crew everything they needed. Security codes, shift schedules, the perfect blueprint for the break-in. But Burke had a deadly problem. Too many people knew about the heist. One by one, his own crew started disappearing. First it was the getaway drivers, found shot in car trunks. Then the lookouts, discovered in vacant lots with bullets in their heads. Burke was eliminating everyone who could talk. The very people who helped him pull off the perfect crime became his victims. Paranoia consumed him as he hunted down his former partners. In the end, nearly everyone involved was dead. The heist that made Burke rich also made him the most feared killer in organized crime.